Kinesis Atom is an easy self-install vehicle tracking system from Radius Telematics, making it simple to track the location of your vehicles and drivers, giving you greater control of your business. Check vehicles are heading where they should and what time they will get there. See how long each driver spends taking stops and breaks. Get alerts when a driver leaves or enters your site on time. Send tracking links to customers so they can see if their delivery is on time. You can even see which drivers are driving faster than they should be. With Kinesis Atom, you will receive an easy self-install vehicle tracking device that you can fit to any vehicle within minutes, giving you the flexibility to install when you want at no cost and reducing the amount of time your vehicles are off the road. The Kinesis Atom device works with all types of vehicles, including vans, trucks, cars, motorbikes, buses, and even boats. You simply connect the device to the vehicle battery and you're ready to go. The device uses the latest location and mobile technology, linking to our award-winning software that is simple to use. Either log in via the Kinesis app on your phone or tablet, or access on your laptop through a web browser. It really is that easy. Kinesis Atom is our best value vehicle tracking system, helping you take greater control of your business, increase productivity, lower insurance premiums, and achieve greater efficiency. Kinesis Atom from Radius Telematics. Telematics made simple.